core system library is failing because of the Twain 32 DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist, and I'll show you exactly how to restore your stability. To start the walkthrough for Twain 32, you can follow my technical guide or use a utility designed to optimize your system configuration. This is the Twain 32, the foundational library for the Twain standard, managing the data handshake between Windows applications and document scanners. It provides the UI-less interface for image acquisition. A missing Twain 32 DLL is the primary cause of scanner not found or unable to open Twain source errors in professional document processing software like Adobe Acrobat. Let's get to work. We'll start with the most common fix for this specific error. Twain 32 belongs to the Windows system core. Running sfc/scan now from an elevated command prompt will scan for corruption and replace missing or damaged versions automatically. When a standard software refresh isn't enough, we need to bypass the automated installers and look at manual system state resets. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Twain 32 file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. Following the restart, if the diagnostic status remains unchanged, please execute the commands in step 3. If you need to pause the video to review the syntax, please do. If those core system files are still missing after the restart, we'll use DISM to pull fresh copies from the cloud. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /online /cleanup image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this triggers a deep cloud sync to replace corrupted local system manifests with verified master files directly from Microsoft servers. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity. Don't risk your computer's health by downloading Twain 32 DLL from random internet sources, which often harbor hidden tracking scripts and ransomware. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. For structured configuration management, the optimization software referenced below includes Twain 32 related documentation. I'm Sophie Chen. We are dedicated to providing clear, safe paths to PC repair, including Twain 32 dependencies. Subscribe to support our technical mission.